In today's video, we're going to be using this pole saw. It's a still pole saw. This is a great tool. It comes in handy. Don't use it a lot, but when you need it, you have it. And basically all it is like a motor, like a weed eater with a handle, but it has a extension here that comes into this part. You just undo this, you slide this extension in, and you have on this end, you have a chainsaw. Just like on your normal chainsaw, you have a spot here for your bar oil. Works pretty good. And like I said, you don't use it much, but when you need it, it comes in handy. So today we're going to be cutting off this branch here because it's draping over my driveway, getting close to the hydro lines. This side here I can't reach. Well, I got a widowmaker hanging there, but hopefully we get a windy day and that'll come down. But yeah, we're looking at that branch right there. If I can reach the next one, I'll get it as well. Because in the winter, these branches, they load up with snow or freezing rain and they get heavy and they hang down low. Sometimes they break. So yeah, we're going to put that still pole saw to use. I'm going to show you as I cut. What I'm going to be doing is, I can't reach there by the ground, so I'm going to stand on the tailgate of my truck. Hopefully I can reach. If not, I'll have to move it back a bit more. And yeah, we'll get at it now. First, I'm going to test it out. I'm going to get on here and put the saw up and see if I can reach that branch. Stand here on the edge of the tailgate. No, I can't. So I'm going to have to back up a tad more. Sometimes I'll stand on the tunnel cover here, right on the corner where I don't, like in the middle is too much weight, but on the edge it's okay. Yeah, this one will work. This is good. Like I said, I'm not too worried about the weight of the branch. It's not that heavy. There we go. We'll let it come down slowly, and then we'll finish cutting. Nice and easy, like that. See that? I missed the tailgate. There we go. Works perfect. Starts nice and easy. In case you can't tell, I backed the truck up a little bit more so that I could reach that branch. Perfect. There you go. You can see a little more sky now because of those 3 branches I took down. I like it much better. It's better that way. Like I say, when the snow comes or we get freezing rain, they get a lot of weight on them. They start hanging down low. And I didn't want that. So I just wanted to finish this video. I had to come in my wood shelter here because we have a bit of a small rain shower going over. So anybody interested in these pole saws, yes, they are much better than those hand ones that are manual. This will get your job done much quicker. And you can't go wrong with still. They always run good. This one's pretty easy to start. All you have to do is put this up here into the choke mode. Spin this around quick for you. There's a primer bulb here. You pump that about 4 times and then pull until it starts. Usually it'll burp or it'll run for a second. Then you can put it down in run position, pull it, and it should fire up and go. And it runs really good. Easy on fuel too. So this here is your trigger. This is your safety. Just push down. You got your trigger. This is your shut off button, kill switch. I'll take time and show you how this works, how you put the saw into it. So you undo that, pull it out. It has a little gear there with splines that spins from inside here. You have a kind of like a keyway here and a slot, so you can only put it in one way. It won't go in any other way except this way. And it's funny because they put an arrow there. I guess it's just to guide you to where the keyway is, the slot. Then you just tighten this up. Then we got the chainsaw part of it here. Like I said, on this side here, we have where our bar oil goes. Here you can tighten or loosen your chain, sharpen your chain, whatever you need to do. I need to take this cover off here and give this a cleaning, empty it out. It hasn't been done in all season. And also, once you cut some branches and it doesn't fall down all the way, you have this hook here. You can reach up and just pull on the branch and it'll come down. Very handy. Comes with a cover for your saw blade. This model here is still HT56C. I don't know if they're still making this model or a different one, but they definitely do have pole saws still. And I've had this one now for 8 years. It's never been an issue for me. And during the winter months, I'll put AMSOIL stabilizer in the fuel so that it's ready to go again in the following spring. So again, if you're ever interested in getting a pole saw for your yard, doing a little bit of yard work, it's a great investment. They don't cost that much and your jobs get done a lot quicker. It's a little on the heavy and cumbersome side, but you know what? When you have those hard to reach branches, like I said, it comes in handy and you don't have to hire anybody to come in. I want to thank you for watching. If you like this sort of video, I have a whole playlist series called Yard Gear Fridays. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. The like button. And we'll see you on the next video.